If you have gone through each and every topic as part of this section or chapter, by now you should be proficient enough to write basic SQL queries. Here are some of the exercises for which you can write SQL queries to self-evaluate. The first problem statement says customer order count. You have to get order count per customer for the month of 2014 January. The tables that are required to solve this problem are nothing but orders and customers. Data should be sorted in descending order by count and ascending order by customer ID. Keep in mind that you just have to get order count per customer for the month of 2014 January. Other data should be ignored. The final output should contain the customer ID, customer first name, customer last name, and customer order count. So these are the fields which you have to project, and also keep in mind that data should be sorted in descending order by count. If there is a conflict, which means if there are multiple records with the same count, then the data should be sorted in ascending order by customer ID. Then the second exercise is getting the list of dormant customers. We want to get the customer details who have not placed any order for the month of 2014 January. Again, the tables that are involved to solve this problem are nothing but orders and customers. Data should be sorted in ascending order by customer ID. Output should contain all the fields from customers. When it comes to exercise 3, the problem statement says get the revenue generated by each customer for the month of 2014 January. So you should only get those orders which are placed in month of 2014 January and get the revenue for each customer. The tables that are involved to solve this problem are nothing but orders, order items, and customers. Data should be sorted in descending order by revenue and then ascending order by customer ID. Also, the output should contain customer ID, customer first name, customer last name, customer revenue. These are the 4 fields which we should see as part of the final output. If there are no orders placed by customer, then the corresponding revenue for a given customer should be 0. Also, you should only consider complete or closed orders, not the orders which are in pending or on hold or cancelled status. So these are the details with respect to the problem statement for exercise 3 to get the revenue generated by each customer for the month of 2014 January. Now the next exercise, the problem statement says get the revenue generated for each category for the month of 2014 January. Tables that are involved to solve this problem are nothing but orders, order items, products, and category or categories. Data should be sorted in ascending order by category ID. Output should contain all the fields from category along with the revenue as category revenue. Consider only complete and closed orders. And final exercise says product count per department. I just want to see how many products are there in each department. The tables that can be leveraged to solve this problem are nothing but departments, categories, and products. Data should be sorted in ascending order by department ID. Output should contain all the fields from department and product count as product count. So these are the 5 exercises. All of them require most of the features that are acquired as part of this section. In the process of writing basic SQL queries, you just have to put them in practice and come up with the solutions for these exercises. If you are able to solve all the 5 exercises, then you can confidently say that I am good at writing SQL queries using where condition, join, group by, order by, etc.